The first tire test is a visual inspection of all used tires, inspecting for dry rot, damaged sidewalls, wear limits and other defects before the tire is moved to the next station. The second tire test, the tire is placed on the NDT machine where it is inspected for defects. This machine locates any area where there is a problem, and the tire is marked for repair or disposal. Once the problem areas are located, the technician will start the repair. If there is rubber damage to the tire, and the cords are good, they will grind out the bad rubber and prepare it for new rubber. When repairs are complete, it will go to the next station to have any leaks that were detected patched. After the tire has been completely repaired, it will go to the bake chamber where the new rubber and patches will be vulcanized to the tire. After 3 hours in the heat chamber, the tires are removed from the chamber, and will go through the multi-pressure test in the Matteucci G100 3-stage tire pressure tester, to make sure the tire is ready for service. From here it goes to the prep and paint room. If rubber was added, the technician will grind down and smooth out all external repairs. This picture shows the rubber after it is vulcanized. This is after we regrind the grooves. From here it goes to the paint booth, where it will be painted and is ready to be installed.
Please remember to like, comment, and share if you liked this video.